Hello, animal enthusiasts. Welcome to Natural World Guide's Guess the Primate quiz. This quiz will show you a picture of a primate, and then you guess the name of the primate. There will be 4 rounds of increasing difficulty. Ready? Okay, let's go. Easy level. First question. Guess this primate. Ring-tailed lemur. Guess this primate. Orangutan. Can you name this primate? Gorilla. What about this one? Chimpanzee. Guess this famous primate. Cotton-top tamarin. Medium level. Guess the primate. Capuchin monkey. Guess this primate. Golden lion tamarin. Can you name this primate? Mandrill. Guess this famous primate. Siamang. Guess the primate. Colobus monkey. Hard level. Guess the primate. Collared brown lemur. Guess this primate. Hamadryas baboon. Can you name this primate? Golden-handed tamarin. What about this one? Emperor tamarin. Guess this famous primate. Japanese macaque. Impossible level. Guess the primate. Red-backed bearded saki. Guess this primate. White-faced saki. Can you name this primate? White-headed marmoset. What about this one? Vervet monkey. Guess this famous primate. I. So, how did you do? Share this quiz with your family and friends and compare your results. Hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and click for notifications so you'll know when the next quiz is available. Thank you, and see you next time.